Here's a tutorial to tell you or show you how to use OrangeSlice, which is an add-on for Google Docs to help you use a rubric. For this particular one, I believe it's easier to go ahead and create your rubric and paste it into a Google Doc and then make a copy for each student so that they can open the doc and the rubric is already there and it makes the scoring easier. So, and then once they've turned it in, you can just open the assignment and grade it from here. And you'd see each assignment. So if you're doing it through Classroom, you're going to open each individual student's assignment and score it. If you go to Google Classroom and open the folder of that classroom and then the folder of that assignment, you can use the Get Next feature, which would then get the next one in that folder to score. So I'm going to go ahead and open the assignment that was turned in. And if I go to add-ons, I would go to OrangeSlice, score rubric. And because the rubric is already here, it's going to jump right into the scoring. If I did not have a rubric on here, it would take you through setting up a rubric. But it's a good idea to go ahead and have it in and the students know how they're going to be scored. The one thing that's important is that you have to have in this cell, it has to say rubric categories, and then your numbers would go across the top and your topics down here with the descriptions. So you could open Sheets and create one that looked like this, copy and paste it into a doc, and then give that doc to each person. So now it's ready to score my ideas. I'm going to give it a 4. And then my sentence fluency, I'll go with a 3. And then my vocabulary, an average, and then a 4. And then once I'm finished, I'm going to go ahead and process the grade. It takes it a little bit to process, but now it's color-coded here. I've got my score down at the bottom here, 14 points, 70%. It was a total out of 20 points. So I could go back here now and put in my grade. If this was going to be out of 20 points, I would say out of 20, and I would put in how many points the student got and turn it in. And then I could either open the other one here, or if I had opened it out of my folder, I could try the Get Next. So when the kid opens their paper now, they will see their rubric has been scored and they'll see their points here. And that's it. And again, it is crucial to make sure that this cell has that, because that's how the OrangeSlice finds the rubric to score. That's it.